Homemade makeup remover wipes are cheap and easy to make. It saves a lot of your time and money and gives you even better results. For making your own makeup wipes, you need 1 cup distilled water, 1 tablespoon extra virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon glycerine, 1 tablespoon liquid castor soap or baby wash, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 15 drops rosemary essential oil, and cotton pads. Take distilled water and add extra virgin coconut oil, glycerine, liquid castor soap in it and mix well to combine. Now take a small jar and stack the cotton pads in it. Now pour this mixture on cotton pads and add vitamin E oil and rosemary essential oil in it. Then close the lid tightly and shake well. Store it in a cool and dry place and use to remove your makeup. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.